Changing old UK light switch to modern switch. I have a 2-gang switch with pre-1970 wiring. One switch is one-way to bathroom and other switch is a 2-way switch for hallway. The first picture is old switch with bathroom switch on the left of the picture, second picture is switch that I want to use. Can someone tell me which wire goes where on the new switch please? Thank you. Question from user John Foley at Stack Exchange. Answer. The new switch is essentially the other way up visually. So, without rotating, take the red, black from the lower right. Move to the upper right one. 2. Take the single black. Move it to upper left one. Move the pair of reds to lower left com. The single jumper from that to lower right com. As you don't seem to have any earth in the old wiring, it would be safest to use a plastic back box rather than a metal one.
283 B7 D69 F10 ถึง4 F0
Wiring was first installed. Answer from user Tetsugen at Stack Exchange.